Happy Friday and welcome to the National Real Estate Cafe with Don Gatling and Gino Frontier. We were pumped today and everything else seems pumped this week as well. Wait till you see the sales. What's happening in sales?
You know,
That's
it's
right.
kind of funny. We've been talking about it all year, Don, telling people all year long, buy a house, buy a house, buy a house. The market's strong, the market's healthy, and this proves it.
Yeah, check out this chart. We've been telling you that the housing market has been strong. You're going to hear all about how the numbers are not, but check out these numbers. Existing home sales, that's homes that are being sold now, not new homes. We'll talk about that later, but the pace is up 4.7% from the previous month. Strong.
That's a big number, Don.
Well, especially for September. Usually the numbers go down, so we're 6.2%. Improved by 6.2% and 8.8% year over year.
Now, this is the volume of sales, and in a tight inventory market, to have an 8% gain in sales, that's very, very difficult to do. If we had more inventory available or better inventory available, we would definitely see even better numbers than that.
And you ask why these numbers are so strong, even in a September. We had a little dip in August. A lot of media jumped on and said, oh, see, it's slowing down. What it always does. But a hot September shows that there's a lot of pent-up demand, and we think that's coming from a lot from the millennials. They're getting confident and ready to buy.
Yeah, in fact, the millennials for the first time are able to buy because they have jobs. Thank goodness. I know. Don for years has been saying we need jobs, but what we didn't expect is that the jobs were going to go to the millennials. So we're now going to see that part that we talk about, the workforce that's been exiting the market. There's now the millennials are coming to fill that gap.
That's right. But we just heard a report. The millennials want all that our generations wanted. They want the house and the kids. They just want it 10 years later. So that later's sneaking up on us, and so it's been a really good thing for the house market. So what else is hot, Gino? Check out this next report.
Oh, man, housing starts. So this is new home builders. So new home builders are actually breaking ground on a lot of great new projects, and they're doing it across the country, which means they're confident in the economy, they're confident in our future. And again, we talk about millennials, but the thing is, this is a demographically driven boom.
It is. And I mean, you can see, but remember, we're telling you now is a good time to sell your home because inventories are low, and is that competition coming? New homes? What do you think? So you need to get out there, especially if you're thinking about buying your next home or moving up, buying your first home. Now is the time. You got a lot of inventory coming. It's good for new home buyers. It's going to get people that are going to sell their current home, buy their brand new home they've been waiting forever, and that's going to give opportunities for the millennials and the first-time home buyers.
So speaking of opportunity, let's talk a little bit about interest rates and what's going on with that, right? We saw a lot of resistance, and we were kind of held, and we couldn't get rates any better. And finally, we got some pop with the Fed statement when they decided to hold rates down again. We got a little bit of a pop, and now we've created a new channel, and we're back in this channel again with another layer of heavy resistance.
So bottom line, the trend has been improved rates. Nothing like we were seeing, a few years back in the threes and the low to mid threes, but they're cracking right around the low fours to even the upper threes. So we're seeing a good trend.
Yeah, so I'm going to jump in on that. What's nice about it this time is it's not artificial. It's not from QE. It's not from any of that. It's from what's happening abroad. So if you really want to know what's happening with interest rates, listen what's happening abroad.
All right. Make sure you tune in daily to the National Real Estate Cafe to find out what's brewing. You can get all this sent right to your phone if you want by texting NREC to the number 58885.
Yeah, and don't forget to check out our website, nrecafe.com. And if you want to know more about our radio show, go to donandgino.com.
Have a great weekend.